Okay, so there's a new JOLLIBEE right here. We've got lots of people kind of hanging out up front for some reason. And there's the JOLLIBEE. So let's kind of check it out and we'll kind of give you a little context for it as well. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so here's the new JOLLIBEE. I don't know, usually we can't take our cameras into places, but I'll give you a little context of where we are as well. So we'll just kind of show you. So this is Guimarães. So there's Taipa Central Park over there. Giant walkway, so you can have a reference point in Taipa. McDonald's is exactly across the street. And that goes all the way down to the station down that way. So I don't know, maybe we'll just kind of go in and just take a look for a second. 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. right there, Monday through Sunday. So every day until 10 p.m. That's what it looks like. Just kind of take a look at the menu real quick. See happy. Okay. So that's the menu right there. So, okay. So we're gonna go back out again. Soft opening, so it's I guess that means there's gonna be more to it later. So I'll give a little context. It's another place right here. K. So 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. every day. So this kind of give you a little bit of reference to everything, right? So we're kind of in this Taipa Central area. So you have some reference to it. There's a JOLLIBEE. And I think what we're going to do is we're just going to go up in this area a little bit. And I think all these people are going to one oasis. That's a bus that takes you to another location. There's Taipa Central. So we're just going to go up on here. And if I can see some street signs, I will, so you can get an idea for the cross references if you're trying to find this yourself. This street that we're on is Guimarães, and then this other one is, I'll show you right now. Okay, saying how. So you can look it up on Google Maps if you want to, and you can kind of give it a context for where that JOLLIBEE is at. We're gonna go up, and then we're gonna look down from up here. Yeah. So basically it's like straight over that way, right? Okay. So we're gonna head on up to this little, this is all new. It just came up about 2 months ago maybe? Something like that. And this is this overlooks Central Park, so we'll just give you some context of Taipa Central Park. So yeah, this whole area right here, the giant park. There's a swimming pool in there. There's basketball court right there, soccer field over there, big playground over there for kids. All kinds of cool stuff in this area. And then we're gonna go down a little bit. And then you're going to be able to view JOLLIBEEs from up here, but now you got better context for where we are exactly. And I think I put Rua de Guimarães in this one too, so you can get the context of it. Okay. So once we get above our JOLLIBEEs, we'll put the camera back on it again, and then we can kind of see what it looks like from up here. I can see it a little bit right there. Okay, a little bit further. So yeah, this is a new skyway too. It connects to the train station, so when this becomes more popular later, people can maybe take that train and get right here easily. The train is only built in Taipa, but its train station is down that way. And there's our little JOLLIBEEs right there. So okay. So now you got a little idea of JOLLIBEEs. There's some happy JOLLIBEE kids. Okay. It looks like we can come back out here. So maybe we'll do that and then we'll come back and conclude at JOLLIBEEs again. And there's not too many videos about JOLLIBEEs yet. And not many people are really showing the location of it. So I'll try to get this up here, get it up as soon as I can. Looks like you can also just take one of these directly to it. So this one will right down there, right? Looks like you can also take the stairs right there too. There's our Guimarães Avenue. So a lot of people are stopping. I don't know if they're coming to the JOLLIBEEs or not. Looks like our elevator's still stuck on G. It's gonna open up in a second here. Okay. Let's go on down. G. There's our JOLLIBEEs right there. And we're gonna come back down, film it, and we'll end this video. A little bit of JOLLIBEEs reference for you. I think it opened up maybe 2 to 3 days ago. Chinese kitchen. So there we go, there's the JOLLIBEEs. All those happy people. Okay, so we'll end it right there. Chiquinha, chiquinha.